You're coming to Montreal and need to learn how to transport around the city? Then this video will help you. I will show you how to use the metro, how it works to help you get to where you need to be, here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Montreal is beautiful, and to see everything you want to see, you can find using the metro the quickest and easiest way to travel. To find a metro station, you'll see this sign as a marker, the upside down arrow. Inside the station, before you can get to the train, you'll need to pay by tapping the reader. At this time period, until it's changed, you can only pay by using an official card. And there are three types as a visitor you can use. First, there's a non-reusable ticket, only good for Greater Montreal, one trip only. This is also called a magnetic card. There's the occasional card. You could purchase to add the amount of rides you require and then throw away when you're done. And then you can use the Opus card. This is a reusable card where you can add rides to it and top up with more when necessary. You can get all of these forms of payment at one of these orange ticket machines. There's usually two or more at a station, depending where the station is located. If you need help, all stations have a booth, and the staff will assist you with getting your ticket. Or, if you have any questions, they will answer them. The Opus card can also be used on the STM bus system in Montreal. And for families and kids, if you have children 11 and under, up to 5 children can ride for free with a fare-paying adult. And that fare-paying adult can be 14 years of age or older. If a child age 11 and under is traveling alone without an older chaperone, they must pay the regular fare. This policy is for the metro, buses, commuter trains, and the 747 airport bus line as well. Now that you have your form of payment, you can tap the card on the reader and go to the platform and wait for the train. If you're on the wrong platform and realize you've gone the wrong direction, some stations allow you to cross to the other side by using the stairs. Unfortunately, some don't, and if you make a mistake and go the wrong direction, you can't tap the card to go to the other platform. This is to stop you from overpaying. Instead, go to the staff, either walking around the station or at a booth, and they will get you through to the proper platform. They'll check your card, and then they'll get you through the gate. The Montreal Metro has 4 lines, known as green, orange, yellow, or blue. The orange line is the most used out of all the 4. When the train comes, you hop aboard, and each car displays each station, even if you don't speak French. With the station presented on the screen, you can still follow. You can either use Google Maps to see where you will arrive at your next station, or every car does have a map displayed. There is an announcement made at every stop what station you're at and where you're going, but it is in French. Once you arrive at the station, it is clearly marked as you get off. When you reach the exit, you don't need to tap out on the reader. Instead, just go through the turnstiles and you'll be finished your trip and continue to enjoy your time in Montreal. Thank you for watching this video. If you're needing to figure out which method of payment using the metro is best for you, I do have a video as a visitor in Montreal, which kind of payment is best for you. Or if you want to get yourself an Opus card, or to get an occasional card, I can show you how to get one of those as well. And check out these videos. Or if you're looking for things to do in Montreal, check out this video. And please check out all of my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.